let's do a blind unboxing of the Meta smart glasses. And I'm holding it this way because I'm not sure if it's this direction or this direction. I can't tell. Anyway, let's do it. Hello everybody. Welcome to Carrie on Accessibility, where I talk about accessibility and technology. I decided to try out the Meta smart glasses, well, because I have a tech addiction and I just wanted to. Joking aside, I've just been hearing so much about the Meta glasses from other people who are blind and visually impaired, and I thought that it would be something really cool for accessibility. I specifically chose a transition lens, that way maybe if I like them, if I like them, I can use them indoors and outdoors and get some sunglass action. So I don't know if I like them, but we shall see. I don't even know if the app is accessible. I have absolutely no idea, but we're gonna find out together. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. It's just a cardboard box, honestly, and I'm not gonna read any of this information. I'm just gonna open it. It opens on the smaller end, I think, or maybe not. How do I open this box? Hold on. How do you open this up? Yes, it did take me a little time to figure this out. Taking way longer than expected. I got there eventually. Oh, I found it. There's a thing you rip off. Okay. That was not easy to find. You have to find the place. It's on the edge, but on the long edge, there's like a little tab that you're supposed to pull off. And that took me a while to find out. Okay. So it opens out, and then it opens flat. It makes the box flat, and you have the case front and center. So I can pick that up. It actually just looks like a regular glasses case, except there's supposed to be a light somewhere. Is it the button that's a light, or somewhere near the button there's supposed to be a light, and then there's a USB-C port on the bottom of the case. Cool. It's brown. It's lighter than a milk chocolate brown. It's like a caramel brown. Okay, it's not really a button, it's a magnet. Cool. I got the Skyliner because I wanted to get the Wayfarer, but they didn't have it in stock. At least not on Amazon. So, I've got the glasses here. Comes out. It's supposed to plug in like by the bridge of the nose of the frame. Yeah, how do we take these out? Oh, great. They have a little pull tab, but I ripped the plastic off. Alright, there you go. There's some packing material here on the temples. We'll take that off. We'll take that other side off. Honestly, it feels really plasticky. There's like these edges that are sharp. Not super sharp, but kind of sharp on the bottoms of the temples. The bottom edges of the temples. That's interesting. Okay, and then there's something that is not engraved, the opposite of engraved. Embossed on the sides, and I don't know what that is. Carrie from the future here. I've been told that both sides say Ray-Ban. Alright, so there's supposed to be a camera on one side, and there's supposed to be a light on the other side. If you're wearing it, the camera's on the left, the light's on the right. There's a button here at the top of the right temple. It doesn't feel like a button, it almost feels like a part of the temple that's just slightly raised. That's kind of cool. And I think the right side of the temple is like a touch. Yeah, I meant touchpad. Like you can swipe forward to volume up and swipe backward to volume down. Alright, let's see. What else do we have in the case? Inside the case, the glasses fit just so it attaches in the middle of the frame where the bridge of your nose is. Let's see if I can put it in. When you put them in the case, you want to make sure that the frames are facing towards you, so the bridge of the nose is closer to you and that little indicator light. Oh, there's a light! There's an orange light! Cool. Now I'm gonna take it out again. Oh, it's green. There's a green light now. Interesting. Every time you open or close the case, it lights up. Right now it's green. I see a flashing blue light. I don't know if it's gonna be picked up. but there's a flashing blue light right here where my finger is. So when you're looking at it, when you're wearing it, it's right on the right side of the frame, near your right eye. There's supposed to be a QR code, I think, on the packaging. Let's see if we can do this.
Switch to photo mode. Camera. Take photo. Kirko.de/BD5. Kirko.de/ Chrome. Web view. Play Store. Search Google Play. Install. Verified by Play Protect. Meta View. Install.
Meta View.
Open.
Open. Alright.
Meta View. Ray-Ban Meta. Detected. Text Meta. The next generation of smart glasses. Detected. Text the NEHT Get started. Detected. In progress. Signing in. Meta View. Cloak. Meta logo. Login or create a Meta. Continue with Facebook as Carrie Morales.
Okay.
Login or create a Meta. Back.
That.
Create a Meta account with your Facebook account. This will help you easily access. Continue. Which email do you want to use for account setup?
I will use this one.
Checked. Next. Back. Finish creating your Meta. Name. Carrie Morales. Email. Password. Logged in with. Checked. Birthday. Your Meta account information isn't public. Detected. Text. Your Meta account information isn't public. Checked. Get emails from Meta about its smart glasses. Not checked. Get email. By creating your account. Meta terms of service. Supplemental terms of service. Meta privacy. Supplemental private. Create account. Back. Create account.
Alright. Create account. So far, it's pretty accessible.
Meta
Yay.
View. In progress. Signing in. Meta View. Save your.
What'd you say? What?
Save your login info. We'll save the login info for Carrie Morales, so you won't need to enter it next time you log in. Unlabeled. Save.
Okay.
Loading. Meta View.
Sounds good to me.
Ray-Ban Meta. Detected. Text Puo Met D. Continue.
What's that say?
Ray-Ban Meta. Detected. Text Pu 0 Met.
Whatever.
Continue. Detected. Allow nearby devices access. Nearby. Meta View uses nearby devices. Connect and set up your glasses. Import photos and videos from your glasses. Install firmware update. Enable automatic media. Enable automatic media import. Tap. Allow. On the next. Allow nearby devices access.
Okay.
Detected. Allow Meta View to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Allow Meta View to find. Allow. Meta View. Back.
These lenses are pretty clear.
Select device. Ray-Ban Meta. Ray-Ban Stories. Ray-Ban Meta.
That's what we want.
Close. Get your glasses ready for pairing. 1. Remove the protective tab and leave the glasses inside the case.
Oh, gotta leave the glasses inside the case? Man, but I wanted to wear them. Oh well. Right, let's put them in the case then. Okay, now they turned orange once I put them in the case.
2. Wait 30 seconds for the case LED to turn blue.
To turn blue.
3. If the case LED doesn't turn blue, press and hold the pairing button on the back of the case for 5 seconds.
Okay.
Release when the case LED turns blue.
There's a button on the back of the case apparently. Let's try to find it. Oh, it's at the bottom. It's actually right next to the USB-C, but toward the back. Huh. So I'm gonna press it and hold it. Pressing and holding. Pressing and holding. Oh, there you go. Blue LED light. Oh, and it made a little sound too.
Blue LED turned on. Turn off Do Not Disturb to pair with your glasses and see important notifications. Open setting. Notification. On. Detected. Text. Int. 38%. On. Do Not Disturb. On. Notification shade. Detected. Meta View. Searching. Companion Device Manager. Choose a device to be managed by Meta View. RB Meta 00QD. Connecting. Meta View. Connecting. Detected. Text. Connecting. Pairing request. Tap to pair with RB Meta 00QD. Expanded.
There's
Pairing.
a message.
Expand. Pair and connect. Cancel. Pair
A
and
notification,
connect.
I mean.
Pair with RB Meta 00QD. 340. Also allow access. Also allow access to contacts and call. Off. On. On. Pair. Detected.
Okay.
Text. Pair. Meta View. Connecting. Detected. Text. Connecting. Activating.
Connecting. Activating.
Activating. Detected. Text. Activating.
Okay.
You can review and update your push notification preferences for Meta View in your phone settings anytime.
Okay.
Get notifications. Skip. Detect. Get notification. Allow Meta View to
Okay.
allow. Meta View. Check it. Glasses update available. This could take a few minutes. Install update. Detect.
Okay, well,
Keep
install
meta
the
view open to use
update.
all of your glasses features. Capture life's best moments. Detected. Text. Capture life's best moments.
It's great because you guys don't have to sit here and wait for the installation. I can just fast forward through it. Oh, nice. There's some overlapping text here. But at least TalkBack reads it. While it's working on the update, there's actually a little bit more that's in the box that I forgot. There's like a little insert here on the edges next to the QR code. There's a cleaning cloth. Ooh, it's black. And there's some paperwork. Lots of papers. What do they say? Got no clue. And wow, there's a book. Damn, that is a lot of pages.
Restarting glasses. Capture life's best moments. Detected. Swipe left to discover more. Your glasses are updated. Detect. Next. Detected. Learn the basics. Detected. Text. Learn the basics. Put on your glasses. Detected. Text. Put on your glasses.
Alright, let's put on my glasses then. As you command. Put it on. Ooh, it's kind of warm. Ooh, there's a green light. Oh, hello, the sound. Okay, I can hear TalkBack on here. Press the button on the right temple ones to take a photo. Okay, I took a picture. So to start a recording, you press and hold it. Oh, it makes a sound. Do I press it again to stop the recording? Oh, okay, you press it again. So pressing and holding starts it, but then you have to just do one quick press to stop it. Okay, touch the touchpad once to play. Oh, it's playing music. Can you hear that? I wonder if the microphone is picking this up because wow. That is pretty cool. Hold on, I'm gonna take these off. Wow, I can't really hear it a few inches away from me. Like I can hear that somebody's listening to something. Here, I'm gonna put it close to the microphone. But like once I move it away, it sounds super quiet. I like these already. Nice. Swipe forward to turn the volume up, swipe back to turn it down. Okay, that is really loud. Wait, volume down. Okay, so you can enable Meta AI if you want. At the top of the screen, it's actually like a smaller section that you can scroll, and this bottom section you can't scroll. You have to read through all of that to be able to enable Meta AI. You can choose whether or not to store recordings. I'm gonna do don't store. You can turn on location if you want. Wow, okay, this touchpad is really sensitive. Interesting. I can play my audiobook. That's so cool. I've got Bard playing right now. Hey Meta, what time is it? 3:50 p.m. Wow, that's a really robotic voice. Where's all the AI voices? That's auto pause. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna press play. Now, if I take it off, did it stop? Oh, it makes a sound every time I put it on. This is so cool. This is so cool. I love this. I don't even really care about like the taking pictures so much. I really kind of wish that we could do landscape pictures. I want to go outside and see how they transition. Everything seems to be fairly accessible. I was able to set it up all with TalkBack. There are some overlapping text which really annoyed me. There's a dark mode, yay! There's a few places where the scrollable areas are kind of really small, but you can still work through it. You can still do it. And I didn't come across any blockers. Hey Meta, what am I looking at? Okay, it took a picture, and now it's thinking.
Looking at a bedroom with a desk, bed frame, and various items on paper.
Okay, it told me that I'm looking at a bedroom with a desk and bed frame and a bedroom. I need to figure out a way to share the audio of the Meta with you guys. The sound sounds pretty good. Surprisingly good. For smart glasses, I'm gonna have to take this off so that I can actually talk about it and stop being distracted. Alright, I'm gonna put it back in the charging case. Let's talk about this thing. I like this thing. Wow, this is expensive. This is $379. I've been playing with it for the past 20 minutes and this is just really cool. This gives me a lot of hope for accessibility and technology. The charging case is supposed to give it a lot more battery, but apparently it has around 4 hours of battery. Is that right?
Ray-Ban Meta glasses offer up to 4 hours of moderate use on a single charge, capturing and syncing 100 videos or 500 photos. Up to 32 hours of additional charge via the fully charged case. Battery life varies depending on usage and other factors.
We've got 4 hours of moderate use with these and 32 hours with the charging case. I don't know what to say. This is just really awesome. Now, of course, if we do end up having things like Be My Eyes or Ira or Seeing AI and things like that, that will drain the battery life a lot faster because you're using the video and you're taking pictures and all of that, but still, that is awesome. And then you can get voiceover or talkback talking through the pair of glasses. It's like you have the video and the audio all in one device, as opposed to like needing smart glasses, so you have like navigation or whatever, and then you have AirPods or something else so that you can hear voiceover better while you're traveling around, and then you have your phone because that's the brains of everything. This is just going to be great. That's all I gotta say. At least I think so. Again, I've only had 20 minutes playing with this device, so I'm going to keep trying it out. I like it a lot so far. That's it for now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you would like to support my channel and the work that I do, consider becoming a YouTube channel or Patreon member. Thanks everybody, and I'll catch you in the next one.